I'm Stacy, and this is Joss, and we have Young and Esther. We are the Chip Sisters +1 this week.
Oh yeah!
Hooray! And I chose a box, and let's begin!
Let's begin! Oh yeah!
Everybody, open your boxes! So I got all the stuff this week from a place called Japan Candy Store.
It's an online store?
Yeah. So it's Japanese theme this week. And then we have a, wait for it, snacktivity to go along with our little snack tasting.
Whoa!
Josh would like to start with the long one, which
All right.
I don't remember what it is.
Ooh, it's hot.
Is it hot? I think these are like kimchi chips or something.
Ooh,
Are they?
yummy.
Oh, we don't even know if they're like potato or what.
How cute is that? Oh my god.
Oh.
I can open it.
Okay, you want to pull the tray out? Okay, don't spill them everywhere, okay?
It's so small. These are
Oh.
made for babies.
Okay.
They're like tiny Pringles.
Yeah, they're made for babies or Joss.
Ours are smushed.
It's hard to see how small they are in the video, I think. Let's see.
Well, how about
Mine is broken. Oh, interesting. Don't get my computer dirty, please. What do you think, Josh?
Yummy.
What does it taste like?
Tastes like it kind of tastes like those chicken taste chips on.
Oh, the rotisserie chicken Pringles that we got a long
It
time
tastes a
ago.
lot like that.
it kind of tastes like kimchi. It looks like ramen on the packaging,
Yeah.
but it tastes more like kimchi ramen. I don't know if you
Well, I just got one with like a lot of garlic flavor.
yeah. Mm-hmm.
Probably the one that's all in one piece.
They aren't like not as salty as Pringles, I think.
Yeah, I like that.
I like it too. These feel like they're like more biscuity, crunchy.
I'll have to go look at my order and then I'll like say what these things were in the subtitles.
Yeah,
I
you're
don't
gonna have to
remember
figure that
anymore.
out.
Well, the chip itself is like a Pringles. It's like not a slice of potato. It's like
Uh-huh.
the powder kind, but it tastes better than Pringles.
I feel
a
like
little bit spicy, like very little.
Mhm.
Any
It's
other
so cute.
flavors? What does it
There's a
smell
little
like?
bear.
Kimchi.
Smells like kimchi.
Oh yeah, it smells like that. But spicy fish cake.
Oh, just like spicy fish cake when we go to the Korean market.
Mm.
And it also tastes like spicy fish cake.
Yeah.
I could do that.
They don't have a strong flavor, and they're not like super spicy or anything.
No.
Yeah.
Mhm.
They're kind of fun because I think they're little, but I don't really like them that much.
I like them a lot.
Yeah? Okay.
I think they're more fun, like kind of like a one-trick pony, kind of like fun. You've done it. You've done the skinny baby Pringle chips, and then it's like, okay, which one should we do next?
The little one?
Oh, these little guys. I've had these before my previous life or my present life, but previously.
John says he wants to save the best one for last.
Okay.
So that's why I picked this one because he thinks it's going to be kind of good.
Just some
Oh,
little
wow.
noodles.
Maybe
Trying
it's
not to-
crunchy.
Pour them on my computer.
Maybe
They
it's
don't really smell like anything. And you know what flavor they are?
They smell like noodles.
I don't remember what flavor.
It doesn't seem like there's a flavor on there.
but they're all broken.
Yeah.
It's just like ramen noodles all broken up.
Oh, but they are flavored, yeah.
Wow, it's messy.
Crunchy.
Don't do what I just did.
Did you spill them everywhere?
They're really
They are ramen noodles.
Uh-huh. I
That's
like these.
fun. This one I also feel like a giant. Like, rip it open and just guzzle it all. You know, it tastes like burnt ramen.
A
Yeah.
little bit, yeah.
Too toasty for me.
And a little bit chickeny.
A little bit, yeah. I would say it's pretty mild. Not too. It's good. There's probably like MSG and some salt, but overall, very mild.
Yeah, and not too salty. I like that both of them aren't too salty.
I should look up on my order so that you guys can at least know what it was.
No, what was?
Like what the flavors are supposed to be.
I think this is original because there isn't too much flavor action. But these are really fun to eat. I like I'm more of a texture person, and I just love all the crunch and the different kind of shapes that it comes in.
Oh yeah, so this was supposed to be kimchi hot potato chips. And then this is chicken and soy sauce noodle snack. So chicken was expected.
Good job, Esther.
Casey said chicken.
I never get any credit because I don't know anything. Young always says that my face cannot be trusted.
Oh, you said chicken? Sorry.
I feel like I was chicken eating these, like nom nom.
Uh-huh.
These would be good on soup too.
What they smell like chicken?
These are Beets flavored.
Oh, is that what that is? I was kind of like wondering. I was like, is this a potato or a tomato? But it's beets.
Is it really?
It's strong.
It's
like-
plum.
Oh, that makes more sense.
Yeah.
Sour plums.
Yeah.
Yeah. 'Cause to
Plum.
me, it smells like. Oh,
Okay.
I was gonna say it smells like this leaf that you see in.
Yeah.
Careful,
She's
you
so
guys.
That's what that smells like. Yeah.
Smells
Yeah, I think it's sour plums. I don't think it's beets. I don't know where Stacy got that from.
Oh, you're right. Rampage grilled plum.
So what's that green leaf called?
I always
So-
get that wrong.
Smells
Oh.
kind of like a fruit to me. Yeah.
I like the smell.
Oh, interesting. It's really sour.
Mmm.
No.
I like it.
Yeah, it's really interesting. I like it. I guess
Yeah.
someone doesn't like it.
Okay,
You were trying to save the best for last. I'm sorry, honey.
I guess my palate's is like a kid. I don't like it either.
Tastes like the shiso and plum.
Yeah.
It's like the closest thing I can think of to like American things. It's like tastes like salt and vinegar chips,
Oh.
and then like
It just
kind of
tastes like vinegar.
ruffles, like mini ruffles.
Yeah.
With an extra like herbiness.
Herbiness. Yeah.
Mhm.
I like them.
You said that? My mind is opening up to it,
Josh is like, I'll try it again.
but it's still kind of gross.
Not too bad.
I don't. Yeah.
I like sour things. So
Me
that's
too,
why
but-
I like it.
Something about it just kind of is off, and it's not as crispy as I want it to be.
Yeah.
What if I tasted my chips like that all the time? Let's pick a winner. On 3, 2.
Wait, Josh, did you pick a winner? What do you pick? Wait,
If you're gonna say on 3, you have to count from 1.
2.5.
You
Are
want
you
to
ready?
pick your chip that's gonna be your winner? So, okay, so pick the chip and then hold
Okay,
it.
we're gonna count down again.
Okay.
Wait, you want me to count from 3?
You said on 3, and then you started counting from 2.
Did I? How do I keep doing that?
So count from 1.
But then, how do you announce that you're gonna count down?
Just say on 3. That part was right.
Okay, we're gonna pick our winners on 3, 2. Oh, do I say 3 and then 3, 2, 1?
No, say on 3 and then say 1, 2, 3.
I think maybe Joss will do a better job than me.
You want to count down?
Joss knows how to count.
Okay, Joss, count down.
Down or up?
Either way, whatever you want.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, tie!
Oh, yeah.
I thought you were
Yeah, good job, Joss. Wink. We picked the same one.
I do like this one, but I like this one more.
So are we gonna rank them or are we not doing it?
Yeah. What should we rank? Let's start with this one.
Okay, so out of 5, what do you think of this one, Joss?
5.
Oh,
Ooh. I would give 3.
3.
I'm gonna go 3 too also.
Okay. And then how about this one? Strong.
Would be 0.5.
Oh,
0.5.
Wait, you didn't like that one earlier, but now you want to give it a 5?
point
No, he
five.
said 0.5.
0.5.
Oh, sorry, I'm old again. 0.5. Woo, tough judge.
I'm gonna give
That's
them
our
a
lowest
4.
score ever.
Yeah, wow. I'm gonna give
for
it
me.
4. I'm gonna give it 2.
Oh. 4.
Jesus.
All right,
4.5.
let Esther do
Oh, yeah.
that hers first.
Oh, yeah.
I said 4.
Oh, okay, 4. Okay.
Okay.
Four
And then
and a half.
lastly, bears.
4.5.
4.5. I'm gonna give these 3 also.
3.5.
I think 3.
Okay. Nice.
Okay.
Oh, so what do we do with these? These fun guys.
I think you need some water. Like
Okay.
the last time I did one of these, and then you there's all these little packets of powder, and then you mix the water with the powder, and then there's all these little molds, and then you're supposed to make these little plates. Ta-da! Oh, God. Thank you so much for joining Chip Sisters this week. We hope you enjoyed our snacks and snacktivity. And we will see you next time. Bye!
Chip chip hooray!
Oh, yeah, that's
Chip,
right.
chip,
Chip, chip, hooray!
Okay.
Bye.
Bye!
Bye.
Stop